Hello everyone, welcome back to the Curious Mind Studios, where curiosity meets imagination. So today our topic is how non-living matter became you. Every living thing on the earth, you, your dog, a giant oak tree, even the bacteria on your phone screen, is made of the same exact basic ingredients: hydrogen, carbon, oxygen, and nitrogen, non-living chemical elements. So, how did a cold, lifeless rock floating in space suddenly wake up and start living? Today, we are tracing the epic story of biology from the very beginning. If we go back about 4 billion years, early Earth was a hellscape: volcanoes, acid oceans, zero oxygen. But deep in the ocean, near volcanic hydrothermal vents, water was packed with rich minerals and energy. Scientists think that the small molecules started bumping into each other here. Over millions of years, these chemical reactions formed amino acids and nucleotides, the foundational Lego bricks of life. Eventually, these chemical building blocks trapped themselves inside tiny bubbles of fat, forming the very first cells. They weren't fully alive yet, but they had a barrier separating their insides from the outside world. Biology had officially entered the chat. For hundreds of millions of years, the planet was ruled exclusively by single celled organisms called prokaryotes. No nucleus, no organs, just microscopic survival machines. Then, around 2.4 billion years ago, a group of microbes called cyanobacteria unlocked a game changing superpower, which is currently known as photosynthesis. They started absorbing sunlight and pumping out a toxic byproduct called oxygen. This was the Great Oxidation Event. It triggered a massive extinction for oxygen hating microbes, but it set the stage for everything that came next. Around 1.5 billion years ago, one tiny cell did something bizarre. It swallowed a smaller bacterium, but instead of digesting it, they formed a partnership. That swallowed microbe became the mitochondrion, powerhouse of the cell. This gave cells massive amounts of energy, leading to eukaryotes, complex cells with a nucleus. Fast forward another billion years, and these complex cells realized that they were better together, grouped up together to form the first multicellular organisms. 540 million years ago, the Cambrian explosion happened. In a biological blink of an eye, life went wild. Predators evolved with eyes, prey evolved with armor, fish developed backbones, and eventually, life crawled out of the oceans and onto the land. From plants to dinosaurs to mammals and finally to us, every single living thing carries the molecular code of those first tiny chemical bubbles formed billions of years ago. So, when you study biology, you aren't just learning about plants and animals, you are studying a 4 billion year old chain reaction that somehow resulted in you standing here watching this video. What part of life's origin story blows your mind the most? Let me know in the comments below. Hit that like button and subscribe for the next chapter of our biology series. Till our next video, stay curious.